Now we'll see how to find out the maximum element in the given array. Okay, we start with hash include stdio.h and we'll write void main. And what I'm supposed to do, I need to declare an array. I need to declare an array of, let us say, 10. I want to have one variable I to read, and I have initialized one variable a max which is equivalent to 0. We'll not declare it the equivalent to 0, we'll take it the other way. Okay, we'll see how we'll take. And now I'll ask user to enter printf /n, enter the elements of array A. So I'll ask user to enter elements of the array A, and now I need to read. How to read? For I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, and I'll read. Before reading, I'll ask the user to enter the element 1 and everything like this, what we have done earlier. So printf /n, enter a of %d is, or otherwise just write a of %d, close the, and I need to ask a of I kada. So అందుకని a of I is అని అడుగుతున్నాం. Then we'll read into a of I by writing scan of %d ampersand of a of I. So whatever the value entered by the user, I am reading into here. So now we'll see what we need to find out. Let us say if I declare a of 5 is equivalent to, if the values given by the user is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like this. So I have assigned values like this. After reading the elements, this is there. Now what I am doing, I want to find out the maximum of the given array. First what I will do is I will put maximum is equal to a of 0. That means a of 0 అంటే 10. సో ఏం చేయాలి maximum రావాలంటే ఈ అన్నిట్లోనూ I need to compare each of the elements in the array and I need to find out what is maximum. I need to find out what is maximum. So ఏం చేయాలి, I need to compare a of 10 with all other elements. What are the all other elements? 20, 30, 40 and 50. అంటే ఏం చేయాలి, 10 20 కంపేర్ చేసి ఏది మ్యాక్సిమం అయితే అది మ్యాక్సిమం లో పెట్టేసుకోవాలి. బికాస్ 10 and 20 కంపేర్ చేసి 20 is మ్యాక్స్ కాబట్టి ఐ విల్ పుట్ 20 into max. అండ్ దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ కంపారిజన్ ఇవ్వాలి, 10 20 అయిపోతుంది కాబట్టి 20 and 30 కంపేర్ చేసి 30 max కాబట్టి I need to put into max. Like this I need to change the value of the max. So we'll see how to write the code. So ఏం చేయాలి, before writing a loop, what I am supposed to do, first I'll assign the first value to the max. అంటే ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, మ్యాక్స్ అనే వేరియబుల్లోకి ఈ ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఏదైందో దాన్ని మ్యాక్స్లో పెట్టేసుకున్నాం. పెట్టుకుని ఎక్కడి నుంచి కంపేర్ చేయాలి, we need to compare from the second element. So then I'll start for I is equal to 1, I less than 10, I plus plus. ఏం చేయాలి నేను, every time I need to check max with the all the elements in the array. So that if I need to check max is less than a of I, that means ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ దీనికన్నా ఎక్కువ అయితే కనుక ఏం చేయాలి, max is equal to a of I. max a of I కన్నా తక్కువ అయితే కనుక మ్యాక్స్ లోకి మాక్సిమం వాల్యూ రావాలి. సో అందుకని ఇది రాసాం. కాకపోతే I need not do anything. Okay, and now we'll see. So before writing whether we found or not, we'll see with an example whether max లోకి వస్తుందో లేదో చెక్ చేద్దాం. We'll take random values, not like continuous values. We'll take randomly. Let us say I've given 12, 75, 50, 29, let us say 90, and I want to find out the max. కదా మ్యాక్స్ అన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనం ఫస్ట్ మ్యాక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ ఆఫ్ జీరో అంటున్నాం. ఏ ఆఫ్ జీరో అంటే 12. దెన్ ఐఎమ్ చెకింగ్ ఫర్ ఐ వాల్యూ. ఐ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 అని స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఐ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 అయినప్పుడు ఏమన్నాం, ఐఎమ్ చెకింగ్ ద కండిషన్ ఐ లెస్ దాన్ 10, or in this case because I've taken only 5 values, so what is the value I need to check? I less than 5. So 1 less than 5 is true. Because it is true, I need to check the condition. What is I need to check? 12 is less than 75 or not. If 12 is less than 75, this is true. Maximum is equal to a of I. Previous value lo edaithe undo that I want to replace with a of I. What is a of I? I is equal to 1. A of I is 75. So there is max value is overwritten by 75. Then I need to increment the value of I. So increment the value of I. I is not 1, I is equal to 2. Check the condition 2 less than 5, which is true. 2 అయినప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? I need to check the maximum value. What is max? Max now is I have 75. I need to check with a of I. A of I is 50. 75 is less than 50. So false. I need not execute the statement. I'll come back to the next. Increment the value of I. So 3 is less than 5, which is true. Compare the value of 75 with a of 3. A of 3 is 29. 75 is less than 29 is false. So I need not execute. Increment the value of I. 4 less than 5. That means I need to check 75 max value with a of 4. A of 4 is 90. A of 4 is 90. Because this is true, I need to execute the statement. What is the statement? Max is equal to no more 75. I want to store a of 4. What is a of 4? 90. So max is equal to 90. Max is equal to 90. Then I increment the value of I. 5 less than 5 is false. So I'll come out of the loop. Come out of the loop I need to print yes, the maximum value is 90. So now code lo em rastanu nanu printf, because I want to display all the elements of the array. Either I can display the array and then I'll write the printf value, or otherwise directly I can print /n maximum element is %d in the array A అని ఇచ్చి I'll print maximum value here, and here I'll print the array. I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, printf /n will print only the array. %d /t a of I. We will not use this also. We'll erase and we'll write %d /t a of I. Here we'll write /n. Okay, right. We will see the same code in our dev C++ code. Compiler, not code, compiler. We'll open a dev C++ code, and now We'll write the code here. Okay. How to write the code? We need to open a new window. We need to open a new window. Hash include stdio.h and void main. I need to declare int I. I need to declare a maximum value and also I need to declare a of 10. Now I'll ask user to enter /n, enter the elements of array A, array A, right? And then I'll write a loop for I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. So I need to ask the user to enter element 1, element 2 like this, right? /n, enter, we'll write this A percentage D, comma I, and I'll read the value of the A of I. So once the reading is finished, what I'm supposed to do, I'll initialize max is equal to A of 0, first value I'll put it in A of 0, then I'll start checking the value for I is equal to, because already I have given A of 0 into max, I need to start from 1, I less than 10, I plus plus. ఏం చేయాలి నేను? Now I need to check whether the max is less than A of I or not. If max is less than A of I, ఏం చేయాలి నేను? Max లోకి I need to copy the value of A of I. A of I. Otherwise I need not do anything, just finish the loop. So once it is done, now I need to printf /n the maximum element in the array is percentage D, then I need to type the value max. Let us say I'll write following array. I'll print the array and then max. So now I'll print the array. What are the elements given by the user? I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, printf percentage D /t A of I. So after printing the max, I will give a tab space, a new line character.